Hi guys! So in the previous video we have learned how to make some greeting. So in this video I will tell you some other basics. For example, if you look on the side, you've got a tram. If you want, for example, to buy a ticket, it would be really useful if you come to Paris or in another big city. For example, if you want to buy a ticket, you just have to say Je voudrais un ticket s'il vous plaît. That means literally, I would like a ticket please. You can also say, if you want to be more specific, Je voudrais un titre de transport. That literally means I would like something to take transport. So that's more general. But you can say, as I said. Okay, if you want to take and ask some information about, for example, you want to go from point A to a point B, you can say Je voudrais aller du point A vers le point B. That literally means